Hey guys, so I just wanted to walk you through the site just in case it seems like a couple of you are running into this issue where you come to the site and you open it up and maybe you went to it and you opened it up because you wanted to open it up and see what it was and you did it and you hit. When you open this up, it automatically marks it as complete. That's what allows you to go through it quickly if you need to, because some folks had taken it already. So I put the feature in so that you could go through it quickly. But if you open it up and close it, it marks it complete, and it marks it complete at the end. So this is what you see. And so you may come to it and go, oh, I can't get back in. Well, you can. What you do is you would go here to the left and just go down, scroll down to the module, click, and it should open up. And then once it gets open, what you have to remember is it's already shown, and you can notice here where you see these 4 have already been closed because there's nothing there. There's nothing loaded, but by opening it up, it shows it closed. All right. So now then you come, if you've made it to this screen, what you may have noticed happens is you'll come here and you'll hit start. Okay. And the screen will roll. It's a little bit slow. Everything is a little bit slow right now. We're working on the speed of the site to see if we can speed it up. But you get here and you hit resume, and you're already at the end. Now, if you do retry, it lets you retry the score. It reviews the prints, but it doesn't let you go back and start over at the top, right? So that's going to be an issue. So if you hit retry, what it does is going to allow you to retry the quiz, but it doesn't take you back, all right? And if you go all the way to the back, you can start. Now, there's 2 ways that you can restart. You can either go back out, come back up, and this time, instead of hitting resume, what you would do is, if you notice, well, when it comes back up, sorry, as I said, it's running a little bit slow. All right. You can go over here and click from right here. And it takes you back to the very beginning when you get to this screen. And then what you do, instead of hitting resume, you would go down here and you would hit restart, because you're actually starting over again from the beginning. And there you go. And it starts from the beginning again. So the trick is you have to go back in and hit restart when you get to the end.